AI-driven job displacement. 3 million roles at risk by 2035, a new report from the National Foundation for Educational Research, NFER, projects that roughly 3 million jobs could be eliminated over the next decade due to the rapid acceleration of AI and automation. The study underscores that the pace of these changes is now occurring 3 times faster than previous estimates, creating an urgent need for widespread workforce adaptation. The jobs most vulnerable, the roles facing the highest risk of displacement, are concentrated in administrative, secretarial, customer service, and machine operation positions. These occupations are classified as high-risk declining roles due to their susceptibility to automation. The NFER warns that the decline isn't just a threat to current workers, but also to young people entering the job market without relevant skills. This is significant because it reflects a broader trend. AI is not just automating manual tasks, but increasingly encroaching on white-collar roles as well. Other recent research, such as that from Microsoft, identifies sales and communication jobs as particularly vulnerable, highlighting the widespread impact across sectors, the skills gap, and economic consequences, while the overall job market is projected to grow by 2035. The NFER report stresses that growth will be heavily skewed towards professional and associate professional occupations. These roles spanning science, engineering, and law-demand skills that are currently lacking in many segments of the workforce. The report identifies collaboration, communication, creative thinking, information literacy, problem-solving, and decision-making as essential employment skills that will become increasingly critical. Failure to address this skills gap could lead to a lose-lose scenario. Stunted economic growth due to a shortage of skilled employees, combined with widespread joblessness for those trapped in declining occupations. A collective response needed, according to Jude Hillary, an NFER author. Meeting this challenge requires coordinated action from government, employers, and the education system. The report calls for strengthening early childhood education, addressing inequalities in schools, creating clear pathways into growing industries, and overhauling adult skills training programs. This isn't just a matter of retraining workers. It's about proactively preparing the next generation for a future where adaptability and high-level cognitive skills are paramount. Accenture's recent layoffs of 11,000 employees, coupled with investments in AI training, illustrate how businesses are already responding to these shifts. The NFER report serves as a clear warning. The future of work is being reshaped by AI at an unprecedented pace. Without strategic investment in education and skills development, the coming decade could see significant economic and social disruption.